How to change pitch in AudioMass. First of all, open AudioMass in your browser and import your audio file. You can either click on File at the top left corner and choose Load from Computer, or simply drag and drop your audio file into the AudioMass workspace. Next, once your audio is loaded, there's no need to select anything. AudioMass will apply the pitch effect to the entire track unless a portion is specifically highlighted. Now, click on Effects from the top menu and choose Speed Up or Slow Down Pitch. A small dialog box will appear with pitch adjustment settings. Inside the box, you'll see a setting, Playback Rate, along with the slider to adjust how fast or slow the audio plays. Additionally, there are useful presets and buttons to preview the changes. After you are satisfied with the pitch setting, click Apply Rate, and AudioMass will instantly modify the pitch of the audio. You can now play it back and check the changes. If it sounds good, you can go ahead and export it by clicking on File and then Export or Download. And that's it. Now you know how to change pitch in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.